Good morning and welcome to day 18. That's crazy. My legs are so sore from the gym yesterday, so that's awesome. It's not awesome is that I woke up with a headache, so that's not cool. And I really enjoyed having a slow morning yesterday, so I'm gonna do that again. Hold on. Isn't that so yummy? That makes you feel better.
Is it recording now?
Yeah.
Can I put my head a little?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. April 18th. I'm looking forward to seeing family later, and I enjoyed a slow morning again. I went to the salon and packed up my things and really hope things will work out. As always, there's so many moving parts and I wish at least one would start to work out. I'm sore from the gym yesterday and looking forward to going more. Hopefully I'll make it back on Monday and volunteer more soon. I have 4 videos that need to be edited, so that will be my main focus today outside of family coming over and challenges. One thing I need to do is expand my hobbies and spend more time watching TV shows and movies. And I also still need to go food shopping. I'm really tired and don't want to do anything except go back to bed. Despite it all, I'm happy with what I'm doing and accomplishing, and I'm on the right path. I have 4 videos that need to be edited. I have been cleaning, but I have more cleaning to do. I have to do my makeup because I have family coming over for Easter today. Even though it's not Easter, we're celebrating Easter today. I don't know what to film. I don't know what to vlog. I don't know what to talk about. I'm very overwhelmed by everything, but I'm trying to get through it. But I think if I start by clearing off my table, I will feel so much better. And that's better already. And I've been standing at my desk editing some videos because I really need to catch up on video editing, and I am having some coffee, and I know I had said I wanted to cut back my caffeine intake, and I am, but I'm not cutting it out completely. I didn't have coffee in the morning, and this is my first cup, but I am feeling good. I'm feeling motivated. I'm feeling optimistic, and I haven't been vlogging too much because there's not much to vlog when I'm literally just standing here editing for hours. And now my makeup is done. My family is coming over in like an hour and a half, so I don't know exactly like what to do until then. My problem is when there are so many options, I start to get overwhelmed because of my all or nothing black and white personality. I am really liking what I'm doing, and I want to show you guys actually how I do my daily tarot spreads. So I am not a professional tarot reader or anything, but I like tarot cards and spiritual and psychic stuff, and I have a deck of tarot cards that my sister gave me, and I want to get like my own deck that I really like, but this is what I have. And every day I like giving myself a daily spread. And like I said, I don't know what a lot of the cards mean. I don't know like anything really, but I shuffle the deck, and then this is just what I do. I do it for fun. I pull the top 3 cards and put them on the top, and then the bottom of the deck I do the bottom 3 cards. And then I cut to the middle of the deck and I put that in the middle. There's what I have. And I didn't learn this from anywhere. I just started doing that, I guess. And then I take a picture in ChatGPT and it analyzes the card, tells me what they mean, and ties it into how it relates to my actual life. And it's usually pretty spot on. And then I start remembering what certain cards mean over time, and I do like to just like look through and like practice and stuff. I want to be able to actually read, but I don't know, that's what I do. I took my dog for a walk to get some steps in it and to get some more of his energy out before family comes over. And then I changed my outfit. So I'm wearing lots of pink to celebrate spring and Easter. And I don't normally wear colorful colors, so this is unique. And I'm kind of liking it.